Hi everyone. Today we're going to be covering the market for Palos Verdes Estates in Southern California. Fun fact, did you know that Palos Verdes was once considered a location for Disneyland? It never made it here, and it is actually located in Anaheim. So stay tuned, and we're going to be covering single-family homes in Palos Verdes Estates. Hi, I'm Clara Duran with the Duran-Reed firm, and today we're going to be covering the Palos Verdes Estates market for the past 3 months, June, July, and August of 2021 compared to 2020. This year, we had 65 homes selling in the past 3 months, whereas last year we had 52 homes. Understandably, it was a very different market last year. Now, normally I use average numbers because they give us a broad overview of what's been going on. So normally I would say that our average days on market for this year was 28 compared to last year, which was 66. The issue, though, is that there was one home on the market that took a little bit over 2 years to sell. And so when we average that into the numbers, it actually affects our days on market. If we take a look at the median days on market for Palos Verdes Estates in the past 3 months, it was actually 8. So homes are not lasting when they get on the market. This year, our average list price was $3,043,308. Our average sold price this year was $3,104,062. So the difference between the average list price and the average close price is $60,754. Last year, the average list price was $2,303,304, and the average sold price was $2,239,978. So that was a difference, $63,326 less. Now, remember, we had fewer homes on the market last year. There was a lot going on. So now remember, we are talking averages, and so we need to take a look at each individual home. So if you're thinking of maybe putting your home on the market, or you're wondering what the value of your home might be, just remember these are averages, and we actually have to take a look at your own individual home compared to the homes in the immediate surrounding area. So we're not going to be looking at a home in Palos Verdes Estates that's located in one particular area, because we have numerous areas in Palos Verdes Estates. The average price per square foot this year was $929. Last year, it was about $757. So overall, what we've been seeing is that the difference between last year's close price of 2020 compared to this year's close price of 2021 was an incredible 38% increase. Now, again, we have to take a look at all of our numbers, because there are some homes that were very high priced. That really affects the average pricing. What I mean is, our lowest priced home that sold in Palos Verdes Estates in the past 3 months was at about $1,412,000, whereas the highest sold home was $11,850,000. So you can see there's a pretty big difference in those prices. And so when you have few numbers that are very high, but most of the numbers are over here, it's probably a better idea to be taking a look at our median price range. So if you're interested in those numbers, please let me know, and I'm happy to provide that information to you. That the market is still a very strong seller's market. Right now, of the past 65 homes that have sold, about 68% were above the asking price, and 26% were below the asking price. Now, I know that it sounds like the pricing is going up very, very fast. We may be asking if it's still affordable. But here's the thing. If you're going to be renting in the area, the average rent price is $7,942, with the minimum rent price at $4,200, and the highest rent price was $19,000. So compared to last year, with the rental price being around $6,305, we have a 26% increase in rent. You might be wondering, is it better to get a 26% increase in rent so that you're going to be paying that rental? Or is it better to get about that or higher return on equity and return on your investment? So currently, how is the market? Well, we have 28 homes that are either active or coming soon. The minimum price on these coming soon and active homes is just under $1.6 million, and the highest price is just under $20 million. So there is something for everybody. And lastly, the number of homes that are pending or in escrow are 33. So you might be wondering, beyond the 3 months of this year and last year, what does the market look like? So I've attached a little graph to give you an idea of what the market has been doing for the past 3 years. So you could see there are lots of peaks and valleys, but overall the market is increasing. Now what we provide here is just an average price of homes for the entire city. So we understand that your home would be in a particular area and we would compare it to the homes in that area. So to get your complimentary evaluation of your home, make sure to click the link below and I'm happy to discuss that with you. We could just provide you the computer valuation, or we could provide an in-home valuation. So if you do the computer, remember it is going to give you what the homes in the area have sold in your particular area, but it's not going to know the upgrades that you've done, the views that you have, or how it compares specifically to each of the homes in your area. So make sure to get your personalized valuation. It's always good whether you're thinking of refinancing, selling, maybe putting it into a trust, or determining what the value is today. Thanks for joining me. This is Clara Duran-Reed with the Duran-Reed Firm. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell and share it on Facebook and on your social media. Have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.